You might think that these flamingos are hurting each other. In fact, both of these flamingo parents are feeding their offspring. The red liquid you see is not actually blood, but rather crop milk. This milk is rich in protein and fat, which is crucial for the growth of flamingo chicks. Flamingos also have a unique way of feeding, which is by filtering. They can filter up to 50 liters of water per hour. With their long, curved bills and a structure that resembles a sieve, it makes it easy for flamingos to separate food from the water. Their beautiful feathers are influenced by the food containing carotenoids and their genetic factors.